Hello class, welcome to Anamika ma'am's classroom. Today I will going to discuss a very important pattern program in Java. So what is this? Let's see. Suppose you have get a word as input and you have to print like this. That means if the word is blue jay, then your input is blue jay or any word you have to print in this format, in this pattern, like first in blue jay B first letter, then first two letter BL, then first three letter in third line BLU, then in fourth line first four letter BLUE in our case in this example, and the last line for all letters, that means BLUEJ. So if it is more than this, then also if it is computer, then C, CO, COM, COMP, COMPU, COMPUE, and then COMPUTER till the word, the whole word print in the last line. So one letter you have to increase one letter in each of line. You have to print till the whole word what is the last line. So let's see how to do it in a easiest way. So here is your input, which is blue jay in our example. Whatever the word, if you follow my instructions or my program, then whatever the word may be, it may be blue jay, maybe Java, maybe computer, maybe any word, you have to print that word only like this way or this pattern. And this is very popular program in ICSE. In ICSE, so many times it came in your exam. So let's start. First, you know the import java.util.start and semicolon line. This line we use to take input. Because this program is not fixed for BlueJ, this is just an example. This program can run any of the word. That's why we take one word from the user and we print it like this way. So this is not fixed for a particular word. That's why we have to take input from user. That's why we are using util class for taking input from user. Then public class name. Here I am printing a string program pattern. That's why I am giving this name. So you can give any other name, but it should be relevant to your program. The name should be relevant. Try to give some meaningful name. Then second bracket, obviously don't forget to give this second bracket. Then public static void main. Then again one bracket starting. So one starting bracket for string, that means class, and one starting bracket for main. And don't forget to close this two bracket also at the end of your program. Then you have to take one string. This is string. A word is a string. More than only one single thing is character. More than one is a string. So it is a string. That's why I declare a variable which is string type and name I given S. And in string, when you declare a string type variable S, you write in capital letter. Okay, then I declared it. Then I use scanner class for taking the input. Scanner sc equal to new scanner system.in. Then you are asking for a word. Any word you can take from the user and have to print in this pattern. Then how to take string, how to take input, string type variable input, sc. Here you make sc in scanner class, sc dot next line. L in capital, then bracket open, bracket close, semicolon. S already we declared, here we take. Here declaration part is over, but S is empty till now. Here we get some value in S. So how to take input? I again repeat, whatever after scanner class you have written SC dot next line, no gap. Don't forget to give this dot. Next line only L in capital, rest of these are small. Don't forget to give only bracket open and bracket close, nothing to write here. Then semicolon. So for taking integer, we have to write down next int, I in capital. For taking float, we have to write down sc dot next float, f in capital. For double, we have to write down sc dot next double. And for string, we have to write down sc dot next line. Don't write down next string, next line. Okay. This is how to take input, that means string input from user. Then we have to find out the length of the string, because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines are there. If it is computer, COMPUTER, 8 in computer, 8 characters are there. So there will be 8 lines. So we have to find out how many characters are there in this particular string. That means S. Whatever the user given, we have to find out the length of that string, because I again repeat, it is not fixed for BlueJ. BlueJ is just an example. So if it is Java, then it is the length is 4. So we have to print 4 line J, 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 V, G, A, V, A. So what are the length of the string up to this? That much line we have to print. That's why we have to count what is the length of the particular string given. So for finding length is whatever your string name dot length, and bracket open, bracket close. I already discussed all of these string related functions in my previous video. Here I will provide the link of those videos in my description box. Then here how many characters are there, find out. So it written in integer. Suppose in case of BlueJ, it is starting counting from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in L we get 5. So that's why it is integer type variable. Then we have a loop, because we have to print 5 lines or whatever, so many lines. So same things we have to repeat it, print. That's why we are using loop here. Loop start from 1 and it is I less than equal to L till end of the string and I plus plus. Then we use a function substring. Substring, you can do another way also. You just store whatever you get it from here, you store in a variable, then you print that variable, or you can directly print this as I am doing here. So first you come this part. S is our string name and substring is a string function which take a part of the string, and we have to mention from where we have to start and up to which character we want to take. So substring, it takes the chunk of the string or the part of the string, and we have to mention starting and ending position from where we want to cut and up to which character we want to cut. So this, from this to this, take one substring from a string. And if we don't mention only this, not mention the ending position, then it start from here and end till the last character. So here in this case, I start from 0 always, because you see it always start from B. So B, see, always start from 0. You know the starting position is 0. So it's always start from 0 and till first one is only 1. Only one character we have to take. So from 0 to 0 we can write down, but next time 0 to 1, 0 to 2 like this. That's why here I am using a variable name, and here 0. 0 means always it is fixed for all lines 0. From 0 only we take, but the end position is not fixed. First is 0 to 0, then 0 to 1, then 0 to 2, then 0 to 3, then 0 to 4. So first 0 is fixed. That's why first position is fixed. From 0 always you cut, but the ending position is not fixed. That's why we have to not mention any fixed constant value. We use one variable, and first why I have written 1, start from 1, because in substring whatever you have written here, it takes -1. That means 1 means, here I means 1. 1 means 1 minus 1. That means just before that position, whatever the position I mentioned here, then not including that particular position, just one less of that position. So here in I we have 1. So 1 means not including 1, just less, that means just the previous, that means 0. From 0 to 0, so B. Then from 0 to 2 means not including 2. 2 means from 0, 1. 0, 1. Then 0 to 3 means 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. Then next time 4 means 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Then last time 5. 5 means 0, not including 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And here end of this program, because when it is 6, then 6 is I is 6, and 6 is not less than 5. So program is terminate here. So you end your for loop, end your main, and end your class. Okay. Now see, let's run the program in Java and see the result. Here is a Java output screen to run the program. Here is a string pattern. Right click and go for void main. Now enter your word to print a pattern. So I am entering here, I am entering in the bottom below. Here suppose I am entering BLUEJ. So press enter. So my word is blue jay and it's print like this. Then let's do it with a different number. I close it and again run void main, and now I am writing computer. So computer, and it prints like this. Now I again run with another string. Suppose JAVA Java. So you can see it works nicely. Now please, first I want to thank you for watching this video. Now please share, subscribe and like my video. Till now, bye bye.